Hello everyone. In today's lecture we are going to discuss about the photoelectric effect. Now what is photoelectric effect? Now the experimental proof behind it, okay, the experimental proof behind it is that whenever a metal surface or any metal block is exposed to electromagnetic radiation, that is nothing but electromagnetic wave, okay, or light being incident, okay, on the metal surface. So when they do so, if the photon, that is nothing but packet of energy or quanta, if that photon's energy is greater than equal to work function, okay, as we have already studied about work function. So if the energy of the photon is greater than equal to work function of the metal surface, then there would be emission of electrons, and those electrons are called as photoelectrons, okay, because they are the electrons which are emitted from the metal surface because of photons, okay, because of photons. So the photoelectric effect is nothing but when an electromagnetic wave or light of energy, or you can say the photon's energy greater than work function of the metal surface is incident on a metal surface, the electrons are emitted and those electrons are called as photoelectrons. Now let's see what is or how does it look like. Now as you can see, this is the light, okay, that is nothing but electromagnetic wave, okay, of sufficient energy. Suppose the photon or packets of energy or quanta, that is nothing but photon, has energy hf or nothing but hc by lambda, okay, being incident on the metal surface. So if this energy is greater than equal to the work function, okay, greater than equal to the work function, if it is equal to, then they will just be released, but the emission, I mean the electrons won't be moving, okay, because they won't have enough energy to move. They'll just be free and they'll be lying on the above the surface, okay, above the surface of the metal. But if the energy is greater than that work function, okay, then the electrons would be emitted and those electrons are called as photoelectrons and they would be moving with some energy. Clear? So what is photoelectric effect? It is nothing but emission of photoelectrons because of electromagnetic radiation on the metal surface, and the energy of electromagnetic radiation must be greater than the work function of the metal surface. So if I say that E equals to hf, that is the energy of photon, or something like hc by lambda also in terms of wavelength, okay, and the work function suppose is given by hf naught, okay, or simply hc by lambda naught, okay, then the frequency of the electromagnetic radiation must be greater than equal to f naught for photoelectric emission, and the lambda wavelength of the electromagnetic radiation or the energy of a photon, okay, the lambda must be less than equal to lambda naught, okay. Now if this is the condition, then there would be emission of photoelectrons and that is nothing but photoelectric effect. So electromagnetic wave or light, okay, light having energy equals to hf or hc by lambda, which should be greater than the work function, that is hf naught or hc by lambda naught. If it is so, then there would be emission of photoelectrons. I hope that is clear to you, right? And over here, as you can see, the f naught, the lambda naught, these are called as threshold frequency, and this is nothing but threshold wavelength. So what is threshold frequency? Threshold frequency is nothing but the minimum frequency, okay, or the minimum frequency at which the photoelectric emission begins, okay, or lambda naught is the maximum wavelength at which the photoelectric emission begins, okay, or you can say lambda naught is the maximum value of the wavelength of the photon or the light or electromagnetic wave, okay, till which the photoelectric emission is possible. So, as you can see, the lambda must be less than or equal to lambda naught and the frequency must be greater than or equal to f naught, that is nothing but threshold frequency. So, right. So, that was all about introduction to photoelectric effect. I hope you understood, right. Thank you.